How you doing, folks? You got the Polak here with We Fix It USA, and I wanted to do this little short video just to kind of give you an idea of an example of how we refurbish old windows. Now these are Oldacs. If you look over here at these windows, you'll see the sash, you'll see the trim, base. This was all stained grade, and we removed and replaced the trim. We did the weather strips, we replaced some glass, we painted all the sashes, we put new weather strip in, we painted the complete window, primered it and painted it. In other words, when you look at this video, you're going to see some pictures that we're going to weave in and out of there that are going to show you some before and after pictures. What I'd like to do is take a few seconds and just kind of scan around the room. You see, we also did the matching baseboard down here at the bottom, okay, that matches everything else. That baseboard trim matches the window trim around the windows, and of course the only window that we couldn't do was the curved one, but you can see that we refinished it and painted it. So you come over here again, you look, you'll see how nice that looks. It changes the whole makeup of the house, okay? So listen, if you got old windows, Built Best, Oldac, whatever the case might be, you give the Polak a call, okay? Have a good one and God bless.